Good morning. I am up before sunrise again, which is fantastic. I love it because there's nobody about, it's totally quiet. Just got on a bus and went down the coast to a seaside village back here, and it's really beautiful here. Lots of craggy rocks and the weather's kind of moody. It's raining a little bit, but I don't mind because it's not actually that cold. I think I do have quite a few nice shots here of these rocks with all the lines leading through them, and there's some kind of little swimming spot here. I don't think I'll be doing any swimming today though. Not that warm. Haven't done any dedicated landscape photography for a while now, so it's going to be really nice. And then later on in this video I'm going to be talking a little bit about our upcoming travel plans, so that you can follow along with on YouTube as usual if that's what you want to do. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to go and set up now. So I'm starting off with a reasonably simple image here of these beautiful black rocks. They're so gorgeous, leading out to the sea, and of course just as I was setting up it started to rain, so I've got my shower cap ready now because as soon as this photo is finished I've got to cover the camera. So it doesn't look like there's going to be much of a sunrise today. Oh, I think the sun's supposedly rising right now as we speak. So I'm just doing a little lower shot here. Lowered my tripod a little bit, and it's still, because the sun isn't really coming up, I don't really need a very dark neutral density filter. I'm just using a gradual filter because the sky is really bright. And yeah, it's looking quite nice actually. Nice smooth milky water, and yeah, oh, my glasses are totally wet. Seriously overcast today. It's not really raining that much anymore, which is good because for a while there the camera was getting properly wet, which I don't like because that means thousands of itty bitty raindrops to clone out later, and who can be bothered, right? So I'm just sitting up. I'm set up here right now on the little pier here. I really want a shot of these rocks below here. They're so beautiful. Black with white moss on top of them for adding a really good contrast, and I'm saying really a lot today. And oh my god, this location is so beautiful. The thing is as well that one of the reasons I've been wanting to come out here for ages now to shoot is because there's hardly any photos of this area. I don't know why, but that's how it is sometimes. I mean, it's not like a secret little place or anything. It's easy to get to enough. There's some really nice shots to be had here, so I'm going to crack on before the wind tries to steal me again, steal my camera again. It knocked over my camera. It's set up over there right now. It was so windy, it was like face down in the water earlier, but that's okay because it's watertight. I, however, am not watertight. you never know about these things, but I think I've taken some of the best photos all year this morning. But it's so beautiful here, the light is so good, and the clouds are nice and textured, and when you use filters on clouds like this, it's just magnificent. You just get so much detail out of it, out of the sky, even though it looks really grey and bland. But I guess we're not going to know for a while yet if it actually is my best photo. But yeah, I'm super happy with this location. It's very beautiful. It's almost 8 o'clock now. Totally forgotten about everything. That tends to be what happens a lot actually when I'm doing landscape photography, and just having such a great morning and taking some really beautiful shots. Definitely a location worth coming back to, and I definitely will. I think I need some coffee and sandwich now or something. I'm getting a little bit hungry. Just lost track of time completely. Come back over here for a bit. I was trying to get some more dramatic shots with because it's kind of windy now and it's blowing the waves up quite heavily and it's really dramatic. So I was trying to capture that, doing a faster shutter speed in order to not slow it down so much, because you don't need that if you wanted a bit more. Just wanted a bit more drama in the shot. And yeah, it looks really good actually. I'm really pleased. So today was definitely mainly a seascape photography kind of day. There's a lovely little town over there as well, or a village more like. But didn't take any shots of that today, so I'll have to come back for that one. Now I'll definitely be coming back to this location. It was definitely a cracking morning. I got some really nice shots and I'm really happy with it. Got some dramatic time lapses as well, which is always nice. I promised at the end of this video I would talk a little bit about our travel plans that we have coming up. And yeah, we are in a little bit, not that long, a few days, we are heading to Greece for a little while to have a birthday celebration and also do some work, probably. But mostly just vacation time, but of course there will definitely be photography vlogs out, because Greece is a beautiful country. We've been there quite a few times, but we've never actually been to the island of Rhodes, so that's going to be interesting to see if there's any good landscape photography there. So yeah, I think this was it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, then please do, so you don't miss any more of our adventures and our photography excursions.